About this item: Megaphone 53045111738 LED refrigerator light bulb is a manufacturer substitution. Part may differ in appearance but is a functional equivalent to prior parts. Be sure to disconnect the power to the refrigerators before you begin this repair. Light bulb widely used, 530-451-1738 light bulb used in countless home appliances, can replace the following part numbers: PS123648578, AP6278388, 4584444, PS1176790, 4396822, 4813672, W112169993, W1112562, W108200003, AP6329125, PS123493988, EAP123493988, W1056513, W108057444, W108